Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and smartphones. So this video is a little different than what I normally do on this channel. I'm going to be looking into how much money I've made from this YouTube channel using Adsense in 2023. My channel's currently got 2,040 subscribers at the time of recording. This video is not a flex in any way. It's designed to showcase what I've achieved over the last 12 months on this channel using YouTube Adsense, and I hope it's a way to motivate yourselves to explore content creation and find a niche so that you can actually profit from something similar to what I do. To be totally transparent, here's exactly how much I made over the last 12 months from YouTube Adsense. I got paid $426.98, so £334-ish from YouTube, and that's solely based on ads. And that means I made $1.16 per day or 91 pence, which isn't too bad for a channel with 2k subscribers. My total views for 2023 was 85,800, which makes my total CPM for the entire year $5.24. So that means every 1,000 views I got, I made $5.24, which is brilliant. And that's because of my YouTube channel being in the financial niche. I talk about earning money online, I talk about business quite a bit, and that's why I earn such a high CPM compared to other industries on YouTube. In 2023, I actually uploaded 20 videos, and here are my 3 highest performing videos when it comes to adverts. Number 1 is the Squarebooks Ultimate Guide for 2023. I made $83. Then next up is my free cash guide video. I made $71. And finally my ultimate phone farming guide, which made me $46. Personally, I'm really happy with the amount of money I've actually made from YouTube from these videos. I work a 9-to-5 job. I do everything I mentioned on this channel as well. So the fact that I can actually juggle all these things, I'm actually getting different income streams. It's really good to see, and that's one thing I really love about YouTube, because you can do that. So you may be thinking, what is the best performing months I've actually had on this channel? So if you don't know, on YouTube, October, November, December are normally the highest paying ad rates, mainly because of the build to Christmas. My best performing months were November, May and December, and across these 3 months I made $128.60, and my best performing day on this channel was on November 25th, where I made $3.10 for that entire day. Anyways, that's enough about this. Do I think it's worth doing though?
Oh yeah, definitely, 100%, but far be it from me to discourage an artist from making art.
I think it is. I think you have to find the right niche. You need to do something which is a hobby for yourself, and I think it's a good opportunity to develop yourself further.
Hi, Lisa. Hi, Super Nintendo Chalmers. I'm learning.
Aw, way to go, Ralph.
Anyways, as it's 2024 now, I want to set a few goals for myself. So first up, I want to upload 24 videos this month, so that's 2 every single month. I also want to explore YouTube Shorts and TikTok. I've got a few ideas of what I want to do on those platforms, and it's just something I want to use to grow my audience even further, provide some insight and actually help more people earn money online. We need it right now with the cost of living crisis. Everyone needs to be a bit more savvy with their spending, so I think me reaching out to these new markets could potentially help out. Anyways, what New Year's resolutions do you lot have? Do you have any aims? If you do have any questions, by the way, on YouTube, I'm happy to help where I can. Anyways, on screen right now is my 2 newest videos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I'll be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys real soon.